Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to get better sound quality in GarageBand. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys is go ahead and open up the official GarageBand application on your mobile phone if you haven't already, and after opening it up you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of GarageBand, where we can get started with selecting the track and the music that we want to use. As you can see, we have the live loops right here, or we have the tracks option where we can go and select our audio recorder to record ourselves, or we can go ahead and play an instrument that we want, and so on. But basically we're going to go and select the audio recorder option to get started recording our vocals and the music we want to use. So guys, now we can get started recording. If you want to get started recording your vocals, what you want to do is use the big red button right here at the top of the screen. After clicking the red button, as you can see, it's going to go ahead and start recording yourself, and after that you can stop it once you're satisfied and get started with editing it, playing it to see how it looks, and so on. So let's go ahead and see how we can get good sound quality. Basically guys, all the options that we need are right here at this page. We have the tone option right here, as you can see immediately, that we can use to manage what kind of tone we want, and the squeeze option. Alongside squeeze and tone, we also have the effects right here. We can use the monster effect, robot effect, and so on, but that doesn't matter for us. What we need to do for sound quality is go right here into the upper left corner and click the free sliders. So go ahead and click the free sliders right here. That's going to open up your track settings where we can get started with our sound quality. So if you scroll down a bit, you can find we have the plugins right here. So here are our plugins, which after you click on them, we can now go ahead and use the noise gate option right here to reduce our noise that we have, the compressor option to use everything that we have, the fact equalizers and the visual equalizers are all available right here for you to use. So you want to use all the plugins right here and the master effects to master your echo and reverb. So as you can see, we have the echo right here that we can manage, and the reverb as well to choose what kind of you want. So these are all the options that you can use for getting better sound quality once recording your vocals, so that you can get the desired track effect. But yeah guys, basically that is how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. See you guys, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.